Hello, it's Ollie here at the Crafty Whisk, and I'm so grateful that you could join me today. Welcome to day 13 of our unboxing of the Snazzi Scrappin Advent Box. Have another flat one again. I reckon more dies. There's lots of dies in this one. Ooh, a love heart, and it looks like some really pretty florals to go around the edges. And that would make a really pretty shaker too. Very nice. Be good for lots of different occasions. Actually, Mother's Day, wouldn't that be beautiful for Mother's Day? Yes, put a sentiment in there. I'll have to see what these all cut out, if I can like put different colours, inlay different colours in there. Good to experiment with. Join me tomorrow for day 14. Please like and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss it when I bring out a new video.